Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam and get a chance to get 100% scholarship and cash awards for class 7 to 12. Admissions are open for repeaters medical for NEET 2023.
We request the administration of GFA to announce the date of the election as fast as possible, because the term of the president is over and the election has to get within this month or another 1 month. He has sent his daughter Valanka Alemão to AIFF for voting. It is shame on our executive members of Goa Football Association that they are not, as per the Churchill Alemão, he says that his daughter is more educated in football than the executive committee members. Without the concerned committee, he has selected his daughter. He is getting his family raj in football circle.
GFAची सर्त जिखूनही अजून प्राइज मनी हातार पडना.
From 2019, I'm waiting for my trophy and prize money. The intention to bring this out here is GFA is not being run as it should be run. Entry fees are being paid to enter these competitions. Then why are we not given prize money? How do I motivate my players for the next season? What is the motivation for them?
चर्चिल वेचणूक घेवंक कित्याक भिता काय म्हण प्रश्न.
Why he is hesitant to have the elections? What is the reason behind it? He wants to continue? Or is he trying to press all the executive committee members to support him? No one is supporting him personally.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.